In a world where technology is taking over as we speak, it'd be crazy not to learn about all the ways AI can make our life easier. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling realm of artificial intelligence, where one AI model is totally stealing the spotlight in all sorts of fields. Yep, you guessed it, it's none other than OpenAI's superstar, ChatGPT. Now, this AI-powered chatbot isn't your ordinary run-of-the-mill type of tech. Instead, it has the power to do anything and everything for you. Whether you're a tech geek or just someone who loves the thrill of cutting-edge innovation, you're about to be blown away by all the game-changing ways that you can use ChatGPT. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, groggy and half asleep, but instead of fumbling around for your phone, you simply ask ChatGPT to read you the news. Yeah, this AI buddy can summarize all the latest happenings for you, so you'll always be in the know, even before you've had your first cup of joe. And let's not forget about the world of creativity. Need a catchy slogan for your new business? Just throw your ideas at ChatGPT and watch as it effortlessly spins out one brilliant tagline after another. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT is a master multitasker. It can help you plan your day, organize your calendar, even give you suggestions for the perfect weekend getaway. It's like having a personal assistant that never gets tired or asks for a raise. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In this video, we're going to uncover the 7 game-changing ways to use ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse is breaking boundaries and paving the way for a future where AI is not just a buzzword, but an integral part of our everyday lives. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, at number 7, you can use ChatGPT for coding. Let's say you've just joined a new organization and you walk into this crazy jungle of messy code bases. It's the kind of code that's so tangled up, feels like a never-ending puzzle. And here's the real kicker. It would take you months, maybe even years to clean up that mess. But wait, what if we told you that AI can handle all that mess for you? With the incredible power of ChatGPT, that never-ending timeline of cleaning up monstrous code bases suddenly gets slashed into pieces. By using ChatGPT as your personal coding assistant, you can cut down the time it takes to fix code to just a few hours. Yeah, you heard that right. It's actually possible to fix a code within hours, not months, not years. The secret behind this incredible piece of tech is that it can dive deep into your code, dissect it, and unveil all the bugs that are hidden somewhere in it. And get this, it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also take things one step further and suggest fixes to those bugs based in your code. And if that wasn't enough, it can even write new code for you. Alright, don't get too excited. It doesn't exactly give you 100% flawless scripts, but it does make a developer's life much easier, especially in those early stages. If you've ever been at a position where you're staring at a black screen, waiting to type out some brilliant code, but not quite sure where to begin, then ChatGPT is your new best friend. Moving on, at number 6, GPT can simplify SQL queries. When it comes to handling those intricate databases, SQL queries are like the backbone of it all. But hey, let's be honest, they can be quite the head-scratcher. That's where GPT swoops in like a superhero to make your life a whole lot easier. So here's the deal. ChatGPT is an absolute blessing when it comes to writing and debugging SQL queries. It's like having a wise and knowledgeable companion by your side, guiding you through the labyrinth of data extraction. With GPT, you can finally say goodbye to those frustrating moments where you're just trying to figure out the right syntax or hunting down elusive bugs. You can use this AI wizard for assistance as you craft the queries effortlessly. And it'll even give you helpful suggestions and point out potential errors along the way. And the best part? It's an iterative process. That means you can work hand in hand with GPT, refining your queries as you go. It's like having a friendly teammate who's always there to give you a nudge in the right direction and help you level up your SQL game. After that, at number 5, you can use GPT to write and edit your CV. Haven't all of us been at a point where we need to whip up a new CV but simply can't find the time for it? Maybe your existing job is too demanding, or maybe you don't know what the latest CVs look like. If any of that sounds relatable, then GPT is about to be your savior. In fact, writing and editing CVs is possibly one of the most useful functions of the AI chatbot. All you need are the right prompts and it will make an incredibly impressive CV for you. Instead of staring at your blank screen, here's a prompt that you can use. Hey, GPT, write a resume bullet for a creative director position at a marketing agency that describes impact and uses metrics. Of course, you can change the position and niche according to your expertise, but the gist of it stays the same. And hey, even if you already have an impressive CV, you can use ChatGPT to make it 10 times better. All you need to do is copy and paste your current resume and the new job description and ask the AI chatbot to tailor your resume to the job requirements. And of course, since you can't just make one cover letter and CV and use them for all your applications, feel free to use GPT to help you tailor your CV for each new job posting. And once the CV is done, copy and paste the job description and ask GPT to write you a super impressive cover letter. Moving on at number 4, you can use it to create a storyline. Ever wanted to design a game but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you want to write a book or direct a screenplay? Whatever it is, ChatGPT can help. One of the coolest things this chatbot can do is create a super detailed storyline. Not only will it help you brainstorm ideas, but you can also develop compelling stories and characters with plot twists with it. And if you think AI doesn't have any feelings, then you're probably right. But it can definitely give your story some incredible character development. You should probably check it out now and then rate ChatGPT as a writer. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Now it's time for the second runner-up at number 3. You can use GPT to host a debate. Whether you have an MUN or mock trial coming up, GPT has your back. Since the AI chatbot can now have a full-blown debate with you, it can actually be a super useful way for beginners and students to learn the craft of debating. All you need to do is tell the chatbot the topic and whether it's for or against the topic. The super smart chatbot will dig up all the information itself and throw the most compelling debates and rebuttals your way. And if you learn how to win a debate with ChatGPT, then there's no way anyone's beating you in real life. Now, at number 2, you can use GPT to plan a holiday. Do you need a break from your mundane routine? Want to pack your bags and set off on an epic adventure, but without worrying about the whole planning process? Well, just tell ChatGPT where you want to go, and it'll give you a whole list of suggestions on the best activities, sightseeing, and foods in the area. If you want to take things one step further, then tell GPT where you want to go, how long you plan to stay, your budget, and any specific activities or sites that you're interested in. And the more information you provide, the better the holiday itinerary made by ChatGPT. Finally, at number 1, make sure you ask GPT for the best first date ideas. Life might not always feel like a rom-com, but ChatGPT can sure make it feel like one. Forget all your old wingmen, as GPT is here to change the game. All you need to do is give it a relevant prompt about both of your likes and dislikes and let GPT come up with the most creative date ideas that can make your date unforgettable. And hey, these first dates aren't just limited to romantic partners. You could always ask GPT for a fun activity to do with friends, especially if you're looking for something unique and dangerous. And that's a wrap for this video. How do you guys use ChatGPT every day? Did we miss any important uses of the AI chatbot? Let us know in the comments section down below. Before you head out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. See you in the next one.